Hi, I'm Ray. Well, I got my potatoes out today, and these are Charlotte. These are the Wilco ones, and they've been chitting in my shed, where it's been quite light and away from the frost. And we can see we've got some lovely purple chits. So I'm going to plant my potatoes, but not in a traditional way. I'm going to do them in a tub, and I'm going to do them as a tower. So let me show you what we're going to do. So we've got a container with some holes in the bottom, and we've got some compost inside, and this has been used before. I'm just going to reuse it for our potatoes. I'm just going to add a little bit of fish and blown to the bottom, and also some chicken manure, just so when our potatoes start getting some depth, they can have some nice nutrients as they go. So what I'm going to do is get our potatoes, and we've got our potatoes with some nice good chits on them, and we're going to use them around the tub. I've got a tub of compost, and I've also got a tub of straw. So we're going to mix the two, and we're going to grow it tall in the pot. So I'm just going to raise the level just up slightly. This compost is straight from the compost bin. We emptied out 2 big compost bins, so that's good. There we go. So I've just made a level to the top of the pot, and then we're going to take our potatoes, and I'm going to use some small ones at the bottom. I'm just going to put them on the edge of the pot. I'm just going to face the chits to the edge, so when they start growing they can come out to the edge. So I'm just going to put 3 in the bottom level here. There we go. And then I'm just going to add a bit more compost on top of those. And then we can add a layer of straw. So the straw is going to go in. I'm not going to make it too deep, just making a little nest. Inside. There we go, like a little nest. And then we're going to add some more compost. I'm just going to add a bit of blood, fish and bones, and a bit of chicken manure. To the compost, and we can build it up. This would be a good experiment, see if it works. So we're going to get another, what we're going to do, 3, 1, 2, 3, around the edge. It's going to be interesting to watch this. Watch it grow, and if it works. And then we're going to do another level of straw on the top, making another nest as we go. And I'm going to repeat the same again with the compost. This is going to be grown indoors, not indoors but in the garden at home. We can keep an eye on it in the house. Got some nice chits going there. 2 and a little one. 3. And we need some more compost. And hopefully then when the potatoes start to grow, we can come out the side and pick up the watering. It does need watering. I'm going to try and keep it a consistent watering around the edge. It's all a bit of fun, a bit of experiment, see what happens. There's my next hole. There we go. Tuck it in. Make my nest. And it popping out. There we go. Next, we're going to add some more chicken manure, some blood, fish and bone, and then some more compost. This is going to be good fun. You can see this has got the sawdust from the rabbit, broken down really nice, relatively quick. And one of the Dalek composters on plant pot there. Oh, rose plant there. That, ugh. And we're going to put another level. Going to put some potatoes in first. Just going to stick this. There's a big one now. I'm going to leave it on the top. And we go. Another 3. 1. 2, 3. Some more compost. There we go, and another nest. And we're finally filling it up. This is going to be really exciting. Some more compost on the top. And then some blood, fish and bone. Some chicken pellets. And we're going to add a couple more potatoes. So we've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12 potatoes. So it's going to be quite interesting to see how this works. So now we've got really tall and just about the roof of the building, and I got one more potato, and this is quite a big potato, and I'm just going to stick this right in the middle on the top. Just going to give it just a little flash of chicken manure, blood, fish and bone again. And I'm just going to cover over with compost. Small bit around the edge, just keep the compost in. And there we go. Final bit on the top. There we are. That's our tower completed. So it's just a bucket with a bit of a frame and some old fencing. Just cut a couple of holes out so I can stick my hand in. Cable tied to the bucket. Cable tied, joined together. And there we go. So we'll look forward to seeing if we've grown any potatoes in the near future. So there we go. We've got a lovely potato tower. It'd be quite interesting to see how this grows. So let me know in the comments if you've grown your potatoes any other way than in the ground or in a bucket. Let me know in the comments. And if you've grown it in a tower, how much success have you had? It'd be really interesting to know. So I'm going to add this to the garden and we can watch it at home and hopefully watch the potatoes grow, and I'll reveal it in another channel. So please check this channel out for more information of growing other potatoes and other projects. Cheers!